Hey NutriKids! Welcome back to another NutriKids Adventure. Today, we're exploring a sweet and healthy treat. Dates. Let's find out why dates are a super snack for you. Dates are chewy, sweet fruits that grow on palm trees. They look like little brown candies, but they're 100% natural and super nutritious. Need a quick burst of energy? Dates are packed with natural sugars, which give you a boost to run, play, and stay active all day. Not only are dates delicious, but they're also full of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They help keep your tummy happy, your bones strong, and your heart healthy. Fun fact: did you know dates have been a favorite snack for thousands of years? They're one of the oldest cultivated fruits, enjoyed by people all around the world. So NutriKids, next time you're looking for a tasty and healthy treat, reach for dates. Thanks for joining today's NutriKids Adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun nutrition tips. See you next time.